Hi guys! Today, i-unbox muna natin yung aking parcel. So, ay healthy products guys. Oh no! Nalaglag kasi ito kanina sa putik. And guys, ang aking RGGL. This is a food supplement, DXN food supplement. Yan. Ito yung RGGL. Reishi Gano and Ganocelium. It's a mushroom. Guys, umorder pa ako ng favorite kong kape. Ayan. See? And another one. My new, this is first time na titikman ko to guys, tong Lion's Mane coffee. So, bawat coffee guys ay 20 packs. So, this is $30. $27. And yung pair po nito ay $150. Worth it naman guys kasi it's for our health. At ito ay subok ko na when my dad got sick before. Dapat i-dialysis siya. Hindi na siya dialysis because of this. Okay guys, thank you guys. And always prioritize your health because health is wealth. And yeah, God bless you guys. And take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.